A lots of time people have a confusion about what the fluency is. Do you know what fluency is? Fluency is the ability to express oneself easily and articulately, or the ability to speak or write a foreign language easily and accurately. In the above statement, the words we used are express, articulately. Express means convey a thought or feeling in words or by gestures and conduct. Articulately means in a way that expresses ideas or feelings clearly using words. So now it's clear what does fluency means.
One more confusion about fluency is that people think that speaking faster is fluency. Remember, fluency is the flow and efficiency with which you express your ideas, particularly when speaking. A few grammar mistakes may appear here and there in the explanation, but it should be delivered in a way that is easy to understand and shows how comfortable you are with the language. That's all about it for today. In the next video we will talk about flow, rhythm, and syllables.